thesis statement for argumentative essays. A thesis statement for an argumentative essay should present the writer's position on a specific issue or topic, and provide a roadmap for the reader to understand the main points of the argument. In this video, I will take you through the process of writing a strong thesis statement for an argumentative essay. I will also show you some good examples of strong argumentative essay thesis statements. If this is your first time on my channel, please subscribe to my channel. You can also ask questions about difficult topics to compose a thesis statement. Let us now dive into the specific steps of writing the thesis statement. Step 1. Determine the topic. Start by identifying the issue or topic that you want to write about. It should be something that you have a strong opinion about and that can be debated. Step 2. Research the topic. Conduct research to gather evidence and support for your argument. Look for reliable sources and consider different perspectives on the issue. Step 3. Take a position. Based on your research, determine your stance on the issue. Decide whether you are for or against something, and why. Step 4. Draft your thesis statement. Write a sentence that expresses your main argument or position on the topic. Make sure it is clear, specific, and debatable. Step 5. Revise and refine. Review your thesis statement and make any necessary changes. Ensure that it accurately reflects your position and provides a roadmap for your argument. Step 6. Consider opposing viewpoints. Think about potential counterarguments or opposing viewpoints, and make sure your thesis statement addresses them. Step 7. Use language carefully. Be mindful of the language you use in your thesis statement. Avoid using emotional or biased language, and instead focus on presenting a logical and evidence-based argument. Examples of argumentative essay thesis statements. 1. The use of performance-enhancing drugs in professional sports should be banned, as it undermines the integrity of the game, puts athletes' health at risk, and creates an uneven playing field. 2. The death penalty is an ineffective and unjust system of punishment that should be abolished, as it is prone to human error, disproportionately affects marginalized groups, and does not serve as a deterrent to crime. 3. Online learning is a viable and effective alternative to traditional classroom education, as it allows for greater flexibility and accessibility, provides personalized learning experiences, and prepares students for a technology-driven world. 4. Climate change is a pressing global issue that requires immediate action, as it poses a threat to human health, exacerbates social and economic inequalities, and threatens the survival of countless species. 5. The portrayal of women in the media perpetuates harmful gender stereotypes and contributes to a culture of misogyny, which undermines women's rights, promotes gender-based violence, and perpetuates inequality. Pro tips for writing a thesis statement. 1. Be specific and concise. Your thesis statement should clearly state your position on the issue and provide a roadmap for your argument. Make sure it is specific, concise, and focused. 2. Use strong language. Use strong and precise language to convey your argument. Avoid using vague or uncertain language that may weaken your argument. 3. Address the opposing view. Anticipate and address the opposing viewpoint in your thesis statement. This demonstrates that you have considered different perspectives on the issue and have a clear stance. 4. Use evidence to support your argument. Use evidence to support your argument in your thesis statement. This helps to demonstrate that your argument is based on facts and not just your personal opinion. In conclusion, crafting a strong thesis statement is just one piece of the puzzle when it comes to writing a successful argumentative essay. If you're feeling overwhelmed or unsure about your writing skills, consider booking a call with a writing coach for more personalized guidance and support. A writing coach can help you refine your thesis statement, develop effective arguments, and polish your writing style. With their help, you'll be able to write an argumentative essay that is both compelling and well supported. So why wait? Book a call with a writing coach today and take the first step towards becoming a more confident and effective writer. Thank you for watching, and happy writing!